What's up, guys? Welcome back to Compare Core, the place where we test, compare, and break down the hottest products so you don't waste your money. Today, we're diving into something different but seriously exciting, the best digital pianos of 2025. And trust me, these picks are insane. Whether you're a beginner trying to get your first real piano feel, a producer looking for studio-quality sound, or a performer who needs something reliable on stage, I've got 5 digital pianos that are actually worth buying this year. We're talking realistic key action, rich sound engines, killer features, and real value for the price. So sit tight, hit that like button, and let's jump straight into the list. Alright guys, kicking off our list at number 1, we've got the Roland RD-2000 EX. And listen, if you're a live performer, this thing is an absolute monster. You're getting 88 full-size weighted keys with Roland's premium PHA50 hybrid wood action, so the feel is insanely realistic, super grippy, super responsive, just like a real acoustic. And here's where it gets wild. The RD-2000 EX runs 2 sound engines, the V piano engine with full polyphony, giving you those crazy expressive concert grand tones, plus Roland's supernatural engine with over 1,100 voices. We're talking pianos, EPs, tone wheel organs, pads, basses, everything you'd ever need on stage. Roland also loaded this X version with new expansions, the Upright Essentials Pack and the German Concert Pack, which includes multiple variations of a gorgeous Steinway-style grand. These sound ridiculous. Performers love it because the workflow is fast and hands-on. You get 8 rotary knobs, 9 faders, 8 assignable zones, and 100 scene memories, making live sets stupid easy to control. And of course, the connectivity is stacked. MIDI in, out, through, 6 audio outputs, 3 USB ports, 4 pedal inputs, the whole deal. Bottom line, the RD-2000 EX is built for serious players who want power, flexibility, and stage-ready performance without compromise. Alright, moving on to number 2, we've got the Yamaha Clavinova CP8835. And if you're looking for the best home digital piano in 2025, this is straight up unbeatable. First off, this thing looks gorgeous. Whether you get the rosewood, matte black, or the polished ebony finish, it legit looks like a high-end acoustic piano sitting in your living room. But the real magic starts when you touch the keys. The CLP835 features Yamaha's upgraded Grand Touch S action with simulated ebony and ivory key tops, and the feel is crazy realistic. Every key is perfectly weighted top to bottom. Honestly, it feels shockingly close to a real Yamaha acoustic upright. Sound-wise, Yamaha went all in. You're getting deep-sampled Yamaha CFX and Bosendorfer Imperial Concert Grand voices, plus some beautiful fortepiano tones for the classical purists. Combine that with grand expression modeling and virtual resonance modeling, and the realism is just next level. And unlike an acoustic, you've got volume control, headphones, and an enhanced speaker system powered by 2 30-watt amps. It fills the room like a real piano, super rich and super immersive. Yeah, it's pricey, no question, but if you're an intermediate or advanced player and you want something incredibly realistic without buying an actual upright, the CLP835 is seriously one of the best investments you can make for home use. All right. Sliding into number 3, we've got the Yamaha CP88. And if you're into vintage electric piano vibes with modern performance power, this thing is gonna be your new obsession. The CP88 is technically a modern stage piano, but the moment you start playing it, it feels like you've stepped straight into the 1970s. Everything is one touch away. No menus, no digging, no thinking, just pure creativity. It features Yamaha's NWGH wooden key action, which is super rare in this price range. The keys feel natural, heavy, and insanely responsive, like the perfect blend between an acoustic piano and a vintage electric piano. Under the hood, you get Yamaha's AWM2 sound engine with 128-note polyphony and 57 high-quality voices. And the pianos are legit stunning. You're getting the Yamaha CFX, the S700, and even the Bosendorfer 290 Imperial Concert Grand samples. But the real magic happens when you switch to the electric piano section. The CP88 turns into a true vintage stage keyboard. Warm EPs, classic clavs, buttery organs, all with dedicated one-to-one controls. Every section has its own knobs, buttons, and effects, so shaping your sound feels instant and super intuitive. And the vintage effects? Absolutely killer. You get chorus, tremolo, phaser, all those classic EP flavors that make everything feel alive. Sure, it doesn't have as many voices as some competitors, but honestly, the CP88 focuses on quality, not quantity. If you want outstanding piano tones and a full-on vintage playing experience, this thing nails it. All right, coming in at number 4, we've got the Nord Stage 4 88. And listen, if you're doing studio sessions, producing, or recording seriously, this thing is a straight-up monster. The Nord Stage 4 is one of those keyboards that has almost no weaknesses. Pound for pound, it's easily one of the best-sounding stage pianos ever made. And in a studio setting, yeah, it's never gonna let you down. You're getting 3 premium sound engines, a gorgeous piano engine, a super authentic organ engine, and the powerful Wave 2 synth engine. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the doubled sample memory, which means every sound, from concert grands to upright pianos, comes through with insane clarity and depth. The Nord piano library absolutely shines here, especially the concert grand and electric piano tones. The organ engine is killer too, award-winning B3s, Farfisa, and pipe organs. And now you get physical drawbars with LED indicators, so shaping your tone feels real and super responsive. Then there's the synth section, running on Nord's Wave 2 engine, giving you virtual analog, FM, and sample-based sounds. And here's the best part. You can now control each layer individually, apply effects per layer, and really sculpt the sound in a way older Nords just couldn't touch. The keyboard action? Honestly, the best Nord has ever made. It's finally at a point where it feels like a legit hammer action piano, and not just good for a synth. Yeah, the Nord Stage 4 is crazy expensive, no doubt. But for studio musicians, producers, and pros who need absolute top-tier sound quality, this thing is basically a dream machine. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Kawai KDP120, and let me tell you, this thing is crazy good for a mid-range digital piano. Kawai is known for making some of the best acoustic pianos on the planet, so it's no surprise they crushed it here too. The KDP120 uses Kawai's responsive hammer compact 2 action. And yo, don't let the word compact fool you. This action feels shockingly realistic, with supernatural weight progression just like a real acoustic piano. And the sound? Bro, it's built around a beautifully sampled Kawai SKX 9-foot concert grand, and it sounds amazing. Deep, warm bass, rich mids, clean, clear highs. Whether you're playing softly or really digging in, this piano just responds. You also get 15 onboard voices, 192-note polyphony, a built-in recorder, 55 internal songs, and the grand feel pedal system. It's not the most versatile piano ever, but for pure piano realism, this thing absolutely delivers. What I like? Insanely realistic concert grand sound, super expressive keys, and honestly, amazing value for the price. What I don't like? Yeah, it's not the most versatile, but if you care about real piano feel, this is the one, no question. All right, guys, that wraps up today's list. If you enjoyed the breakdown and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It helps the channel a ton. And hey, if you want to see more honest comparisons and no BS reviews just like this, don't forget to subscribe to CompareCore. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment telling me which digital piano you're thinking about getting, or if there's a model you want me to check out next. I read every single one. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay creative, peace out.